Hi, my name is Terry Bradley, and I'm a solutions provider here at iCat Logistics, located in Taylor, Michigan. I want to thank you for taking a moment to watch this message. I promise I'll be brief. iCat Logistics handles projects and emergency solutions involving international and domestic expedites, including air charter covering Europe, Asia, South America, Canada, and Mexico, along with complete customs brokerage and clearance services and all the paperwork that goes along with it. We can analyze your current supply chain and programs, offer solutions, and custom tailor a program to meet your needs. I'm also including a document in the body of this email for your review that I thought you might have interest in and benefit by its content. Should you need to contact me to discuss any of the material before I call you in a few days, I'm available 24/7 at 313-645-0401. In closing, I'd like to share a thought with you, and that's it's better to know me and not need me than to need me and not know me. So on that note, I want to thank you for your time. Look forward to meeting you in person, and make it a great day. Thank you.